In order to make the hair accessories, you'll need to take the three colors, saffron, white and green, and what you'll have to do is you'll have to cut a rectangular size on the ribbon that you have taken. So there's no particular size dimension that I'm mentioning. This is basically how much you feel. If you need small, you can cut it a little thinner. If you need longer ones, you'll understand how much size you'll require as and when you make them. The corner of the edge, I'm running it through the flame to avoid the edge from coming out, the thin strands of threads from coming out. And now you will need to take needle and white color thread. Once you are done taking them, you will have to start sewing them. Now we'll start from the bottom color of the flag, that is green. You'll have to put a stitch along the center line. To know what is the center line, just fold it into half in this way and you'll know exactly where the middle is, and then just start putting an inward outward stitch in this way. Once you're done with the green color doing the stitching, then you will take the white color, and on top of that would be saffron. Let me run through this process quick. So I'm done with the green, the white, and now finally the saffron color. Once you have all the three colors stitched on the thread, all you have to do is pull the three colors downwards. Basically, you will be squeezing each color by pulling the thread. And once you have all the three colors pulled in this way with the thread, you will have to just wind the thread around them like this, and then finally after winding you will just put a knot, a round knot in this way. That's all that you have to do. Once you have your design ready with the tricolor, you can make multiple use of it. You can attach it to the earring, make earrings. You all can attach it to your hair bands, hair clips, or you all can make bracelets out of them or rings. In my case, I will be attaching this to a hair tie band, and that would be with the help of stitching again. This will ensure that it is secure for much longer. Once you're done stitching, you will know exactly how pretty it looks. You all can use pearls and different other materials to enhance the beauty of the hair tie that you are making. Isn't it looking very cute? I'll just put it on my hand. You can even use it as a bracelet in this way. However, you would need a looser band. Now there are other ways to enhance the beauty of this, as mentioned earlier. What you can do is you can simply add a pearl in between or some glitter stuff, glitter work in between. So that's all. Hope you all have liked this hack. Do let me know in the comments section. And for those of y'all who are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe for more interesting hacks.